Well, here we have a Homelite Jacobsen commercial mower. I trash picked this mower last summer, so a year ago, and now I just freshened it up, and now I'm selling it this afternoon. So I figured I'd do a video before it goes. According to this sticker, it's a 1986 model, but it runs beautiful. It's got a manual choke, no primer bulb. The only thing it's missing is the big bag that goes over here. I gave it an oil change, some fresh gas, cleaned the air cleaner, sharpened the blade, and now it's ready to go for its new owner. Let's see if she starts. Choke. The trick with this one, you have to give it 2 or 3 pulls with full choke, then you back the throttle all the way down to low idle, and it usually always fires right up. It runs damn good, it's smooth.